All right, I think we are in Kahuku. Not sure if I'm saying that right, probably not, but phonetically it looks like we're in Kahuku right off of the highway. And right off the highway here are many food trucks and some many vendors here. And one of the areas we have here is this area right off the highway. You've got art gallery, you've got music playing in the background, which you may or may not hear this commentary because there is music. But over here is Giovanni's famous shrimp truck, which is where we're going to be going. All right, let's try this again. I think you can actually hear me. Their butter is actually on the side of their inside my shrimp here. I think the first time we've had it, the butter was all over the shrimp, but it's on the side. And we also ordered their extra garlic fried or garlic rice, which is also phenomenal. Let's give it a shot. Here is the shrimp. So lemony, garlicky, buttery, delicious.
Num num num. So this was not the first time we were at Giovanni's. This was our first time at this particular location, and we wanted to give this location a try. Yeah, it was very delicious, but we also wanted to go back to the original Giovanni's that we had gone to at the H Mart in their food court. And that is where we will be heading to next to try something a little bit different.
We had signed over here. This is Giovanni's inside H Mart. Pardon the audio in the background. We are gonna take this audio out, or at least try. But we had this back in February. We actually ended up losing all of our footage. But this is the one inside H Mart, second level. That was quick, thank you. So here we are at Giovanni's. This is their number 4, their hot dog, and I got it with rice as opposed to a bun. And then I got an extra rice because their garlic rice is phenomenal. So here's that rice right here, mixing it up. Look at this hot dog. Break it up here. A little bit of rice. Alright, good.
Overall, it was a very different and delicious experience between the actual shrimp truck and the food court up here because we had already tried the shrimp. Definitely wanted to give the hot dog a try, but it was savory, buttery, and overall quite delicious. So definitely come check it out. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.